As the U.S. Supreme Court appears poised to strike down Roe v. Wade, which legalized abortion nationwide, abortion providers around the country are preparing for the worst, especially those in states with so-called trigger laws, which would swiftly go into effect should the court's conservative justices overturn Roe. Lisa Avalos, an associate professor at Louisiana State University Law, explains.
Roe was overturned. Louisiana is one of the states that has a trigger law, which would take effect immediately when Roe was overturned. And that trigger law would criminalize abortion. There are various carve outs for the life and health of the mother, however, but it would criminalize abortion immediately. And it would include both physical procedures and also medical abortion induced with medications.
I vacillate between terror, anger, sadness.
Kathleen Pittman is the administrator at the Hope Medical Group for Women in Shreveport, Louisiana, one of only 3 abortion clinics in the state. She's been working at the clinic for nearly 30 years.
I'm asked often, what will I do if we are forced to close? And I'm going to tell you, I don't have a clue. Because right now, because we are trying to take care of as many women while we can.
Pittman says that women of means will still be able to find abortions. The ones who will suffer are those with the fewest resources.
It's the marginalized communities. It's the people living at or below the poverty level that will not be able to make those trips or flights out of state.
The Guttmacher Institute estimates 26 out of 50 U.S. states are certain or likely to ban abortion if Roe v. Wade is overturned, leaving women in large swaths of the U.S. Southwest and Midwest without nearby access to the medical procedure. Lisa Avalos says the outcome is predictable. More women will die.
If Roe is overturned and the trigger law takes effect, there will be a market in Louisiana for underground abortion provision, and people are going to step in to fill that gap. And some of those underground abortions are not going to be safe. We are going to see an increase of women as a result dying from abortion or losing their reproductive capacity entirely after being injured in an illegal abortion or in an attempted self-induced abortion.
Despite the dire warnings, not everyone is worried. Shreveport resident Justin Rodriguez, who was protesting outside of Hope Medical, said the end of Roe can't come soon enough.
I really wish happened earlier. About over 60 million babies have been killed. More lives than the Holocaust since abortion has been made legal.
A Supreme Court ruling on abortion could come as early as next month. But for now, Pittman is doing what she can.
We are still offering abortion care as things stand today.